them Home Depot a ton.
Hey, Joseba! Away!
I definitely want to. Protector and waterproof. I don't think that.
I see those sleigh bells jingling, ring-a-ding-a-ding-a-ling-dong. Why did we come here?
You have a bite to eat?
We just spent $230. By the way, this video has not even got an introduction yet, so.
Oh. That's too shabby.
Fine. Sir, you're parked illegally. Turn this shit off.
You're gonna get copyright.
We're gonna get copyrighted. I'm not gonna make my whole 10 cents off this video. As you can tell from the title of this video, we got a shop. It's my brother's shop, but he has 3 bays and I'm taking over one of the bays. So we're finally gonna have a shop to work in. So today...
What's wrong?
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing and homebound.
Turn this shit off!
You don't like Vanessa Cole?
How'd you know? I love this song! But yeah, as you can... I'm not gonna say that anymore because Armand told me not to say as you can tell. We were just at Home Depot and we picked up some garage floor epoxy paint or whatever shit that is. And we're gonna be painting the shop floor. I haven't showed you guys the shop yet. I will show you guys once we get there. We'll be there in a couple minutes.
You got a shop?
No.
Oh.
I got a shop, as I was saying, before he rudely interrupted me. We had already cleaned the shop out. It was full of like a bunch of random shit, so we already cleaned it out. I just didn't show you guys on video. But today we're gonna be painting the floors just so they look good because they're concrete right now and they look like ass. So we're gonna try to make it look a little bit better. We went and bought paint and all the supplies that we needed, and the boys are gonna meet us at the shop and help us basically get all the floors painted. And then tomorrow or probably the next day we'll get the wall painted because the wall needs to be painted as well. I will show you guys once we get there.
We should have probably painted the wall first.
I don't think it matters. It doesn't matter. Bro, I've been painting for 35 years.
Oh, you're only 25.
Exactly. I got 10 years of overtime.
Can you feel the Christmas spirit, Tattoo?
I can feel the Christmas spirit, Gregory. So this is the shop right here. I got 3 cars parked in here right now. We're gonna go ahead and pull them out and probably start getting to work. I'll show you guys a little bit more in a bit. Let's get these cars pulled out for now. Alright, we got the cars all out of here. Greg's gonna just, do that. He's gonna leaf blow dirt and debris out of here as well, just so we get a little bit cleaner. We had already went ahead and washed the entire place and used chemical to wash the floor, so should be good to go. These stains should all get covered up now. There's really nothing we can do about the stains anyway, so. We got all the paint supplies and like paint brushes and everything we need. And the paint itself, well, it's like an epoxy. It's a garage like epoxy coating thing.
Oh, are you talking?
Mike, handle my lightweight, yeah? Here's the color that we got for the flooring. It looks light in the camera, but it's actually pretty dark, so hopefully that looks good on the floor. And we're gonna start painting from that corner and start moving back out. So we just got done with the first coat of epoxy on the floors. Shout out to the boys. Armand barely helped in this last little corner right here. He couldn't even fit in that corner.
I'm saying congrats on us saying alright guys. Good job.
I know, I did that on purpose. But alright guys.
Alright.
We're gonna leave it dry for a day, and then tomorrow we're gonna come back and do like a second coat on it, and possibly a third coat, and then possibly a fourth coat,
And then?
and possibly a fifth coat,
And then?
Color swap.
and then we're just gonna have to paint the wall, and it should all be done.
What color are
So
you painting
catch you
the
guys tomorrow.
Hey, thank you.
What's up, boys? It's the next day. We're on our way to Lowe's to pick up some stuff, and then we're gonna head to the shop and do the second coat on the flooring. So we'll catch you guys there. Went in and out fast.
Liquid cement crack filler.
We could fill your crack with
Fill my
that.
cracks.
You think we could fill Armand's crack with that?
No.
Oh
You
yeah.
need a lot more than this.
So we just came to the shop. Raz already went ahead and started painting the second coat of that gray. While he does that, well, while him and Greg do that, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this big old crack in right here.
Is it working?
Yep. Guys, we just finished the second coat, and this garage is coming together nicely. That wall back there is completely throwing it off. We're gonna be painting that soon. It'll be in this video, so don't you guys worry about that. Oh, you brought Greg back?
Huh?
You brought Greg back?
I just had it.
Shut the f up.
I'll piss all over your floors right now.
It went from us painting the floors to just a random day, guys. We got the floor all painted and done, and now we're moving on to the wall. So we're gonna be painting the wall today and like this entire like shelf area.
A self-defense lesson from our.
You look like you could be one of those fake ass self-defense guys too. Don't f***ing put the metal part on the ground, idiot. You're scratching the brand new epoxy.
This is mine. You're gonna drop differentials, tires, tools.
I'm not gonna drop anything. I'm gonna do all the work outside, moron. Let's get it.
Still don't have the
All right, guys. I'm gonna set you up on time lapse, or should I just keep it on like this and?
Yeah, just record. Every person.
That shit's loud. Alright guys, don't mind all the shitty ass lines that are going on through the wall right now. It's still not dry, so don't hose us in the comments for that. But we got everything all painted up. The shelves are looking much nicer now. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow when the wall is fully dry. Alright guys, so in that last clip you saw us basically put up this lift right here. We still haven't wired anything in, but that will be done soon, so we're not worried about that right now. But yeah, we went ahead and finished up the shop basically. All the floors are done and looking good. Can't really show you guys what this is right here because that's a surprise to come, but yeah. We got cars in here. Got my engine hoist and engine stand right there sitting as well. And then we got all my tools and stuff. I still have more tools to bring in, but yeah, we got the shop basically ready to go. But yeah, look at how good these damn cars look in here. Can't show you guys what's on this side. You guys are gonna have to wait for that video. Cars are dirty as well. They still need a good washing. So that's gonna bring us to the end of this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit all over the place because I really didn't know if I was gonna record this whole process or anything like that, but I just decided to get a video out there for you guys. So yeah, the shop is coming together nicely. We're gonna be doing all of our projects out of here basically from now on, so stay tuned for that and stay tuned for the next video to come. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek right there. That's all you guys get. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the shop below. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.